Hello, welcome back to Richard Katzman wood chips, and I just wanted to show you on the laminate flooring we get this separation. It's a fairly decent separation, and I get them all the way through. Let me just move the camera up, and I'll show you the next step over, a little bit wider, and I'll move the camera again up and over, and again we've got another separation, and we'll move it up again, and they don't get any smaller. It's just that's the way they are. So today I'm going to show you a way of, I hope, stopping this. I'm doing it on my own floor so that I take full responsibility for mine. If you don't think it's a good idea, then certainly do not do it. You can contact the place where you got your flooring from, or call the manufacturer and ask them, what they think you should do. They're not going to tell you anything anyway, because they say that it contracts and it expands and all the other stuff. So let me get this camera set up again, and I'll show you what I am going to do with this. All right, we're back, and what I'm going to be using is Titebond number 3. It's waterproof, and I have it in my container here, and I'm just going to go ahead and squirt some out over the hole, and I'm going to work it in real good, make sure that it's in there. And now I'm going to take a wet paper towel, and I'm just going to, soak up the excess. You want to make sure that you don't, glue it to the molding or anything, and you want to clean up around it. And now I'm going to use my tool that I made. It's called the Wackadoo. And it has two-way tape on the back. And I'm just going to place that down. I'm going to use a rubber mallet. I'm going to place my foot on my Wackadoo tool, put some pressure on it, and give it a couple of shots, 3 to be precise, and you can see it kind of bubbled up there, which is good, because that means that it actually closed up the gap. And of course you can see that for yourself. And I'm just going to rub the towel over it, this dry one, to a little wet one on there again, just to get the adhesive up. Like I said, this is waterproof adhesive, so when it dries and we clean the floor with the cleaner, it's not going to break it up. Okay, it's as simple as that, and now we just got to wait until it dries and come back later and see if it's holding. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I hope you learned something from this video. And I look forward to seeing you again on our next wood chips video.